knowledge, Pennsylvania has issued a snow squall warning for northeastern Cumberland County in south-central Pennsylvania, southern Dauphin County in south-central Pennsylvania, northern Lancaster County in south-central Pennsylvania, Lebanon County in south-central Pennsylvania, southeastern Perry County in south-central Pennsylvania, northwestern York County in south-central Pennsylvania, until 3:15 p.m. At 1:41 p.m., several bands of dangerous snow squalls were intersecting a line extending from Blosserville to Rockville to Lickdale to Fredericksburg, moving east-southeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard: extremely poor visibility in snow and blowing snow. Wind gusts greater than 30 miles per hour. Source: radar indicated. Impact: dangerous, life-threatening travel. This includes the following interstates: the Pennsylvania Turnpike from mile markers 223 to 295. Interstate 78 from mile markers 0 to 8. Interstate 81 from mile markers 47 to 97. Interstate 83 from mile markers 16 to 50. Interstate 283 from mile markers 0 to 2. Locations impacted include Lancaster, Harrisburg, York, Lebanon, Carlisle, Hershey, Ephrata, Michaelstown, Elizabethtown, Columbia, Lidditz, and Mechanicsburg. There is no safe place on the highway when a snow squall hits. Visibility and traction are immediately lost in whiteout conditions, making it difficult or impossible to slow down and avoid stopped vehicles. Delay travel or safely exit the highway before the snow squall arrives. Wet roadways will quickly freeze. Black ice will cause roads, bridges, and overpasses to become slick and dangerous. Slow down and be prepared for sudden loss of traction.